Union Minister Piyush Goyal's sharp critique at the Startup Mahakumbh has ignited a widespread debate within India's startup ecosystem. His comment, "दुकानदारी का ही काम करना है हमें," went viral, questioning the country's focus on delivery services and gaming apps, while urging a shift towards deep tech innovations such as AI, semiconductors, and electric vehicles. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Labeling the current trend as just entrepreneurship, Union Minister Piyush Goyal emphasized the need to build future-oriented solutions instead of relying on quick commerce and gig-based models. His remarks sparked mixed reactions from leading founders and industry veterans. Zepto's CEO Adit Palicha defended consumer-facing ventures, highlighting job creation, significant tax contributions, and investment in supply chain infrastructure as evidence of impactful innovation. Zoho's Sridhar Vembu supported the minister's call as a motivational challenge, encouraging engineers to develop cutting-edge technology independently and sustainably. Ashneer Grover, former BharatPe co-founder, pointed out that ecosystems evolve. China, too, began with consumer services before progressing to deep tech. He urged leaders to promote long-term economic growth and innovation-friendly policies. Former Infosys CFO Mohan Das Pai criticized systemic barriers, including restrictive regulations and limited funding access, as major hurdles for deep tech growth in India. Startup founder Veronica added that building a deep tech culture requires patience, mindset shifts, and consistent support from stakeholders across the board. The conversation sparked by Goyal has led to introspection and renewed urgency among founders to balance short-term success with long-term innovation. The path forward, they say, demands both visionary goals and structural reforms. Let's look into today's headlines. ChatGPT's advanced image generator can create fake government ID proofs. Less than 2 weeks old, still the upgraded image generator in OpenAI's ChatGPT has raised privacy concerns by producing fake government ID cards including Aadhaar and PAN. Though the fake IDs appear realistic, they lack visible security features. A user on X flagged this as a security risk, sharing screenshots of AI-generated Aadhaar and PAN cards made by Aryabhat, the ancient Indian mathematician. The post argued that such misuse highlights the need for responsible AI development and regulation to prevent potential threats to data security. NPCI's federated model aims to curb UPI frauds. The National Payments Corporation of India, that is NPCI, is testing a new federated model to prevent fraud in UPI transactions. This system, developed with 3 to 4 public and private banks, uses AI and ML to detect suspicious activity. NPCI's Chief Risk Officer Vishwanath Krishnamurthy said only customer risk scores, not full data, will be shared between NPCI and banks to protect user privacy. Banks calculate scores based on customer details, while NPCI uses transaction and device patterns. The model aims to reduce false alerts on genuine transactions. MeitY Secretary S. Krishnan says AI will not threaten Indian jobs. At the second edition of Startup Mahakumbh, MeitY Secretary S. Krishnan said AI adoption in India should not spark fears of job losses as workforce training is preparing people for emerging roles. He highlighted AI's potential to boost productivity across sectors like manufacturing and create new job opportunities. Krishnan emphasized the importance of training youth in STEM fields and developing foundation models tailored to India's needs. These models should address local challenges and support Indian languages, ensuring that AI development is inclusive and relevant to the country's unique context. Sam Altman announces free ChatGPT Plus subscription for students. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman has announced that students in the US and Canada can access ChatGPT Plus for free until May 31st of 2025. Normally priced at $20 per month, this offer began on March 31st and is available to full-time and part-time students at degree-granting institutions. Students can verify eligibility through Sheer ID, and if their school isn't listed, they can request help. Even current ChatGPT Plus subscribers can benefit. Once verified, they will receive a 2-month credit for free access to the premium AI tool. Fake CAPTCHAs in Booking.com phishing attack target hotel employees with malware. A new phishing scam is targeting hotel staff using fake CAPTCHA websites. According to ThreatDown, cybercriminals are sending emails that appear to be from Booking.com asking hotels to confirm a booking. When staff click the link, malware is downloaded onto their system. While the full plan is unclear, experts believe the attackers are trying to steal customer payment and personal data, which can be sold on the dark web. Since individuals can't do much when companies are attacked, it's best not to save card details in browsers or on websites. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.